Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you're in the right browser profile and signed in. This prevents removing the wrong account. Once that's confirmed, save any unsynced work and pause active uploads, because removing an account can halt sync. Next, open the browser menu and navigate to Settings, then to the section labeled You and Google or Profiles. This gets you directly to the controls you need. From here you'll see Accounts, Sync State, and the Sign Out options to proceed. You'll now find the specific Google account listed under your Profile or Account Management area. Click the profile icon and choose Manage People or the account entry. Once selected, you sign out, remove, or disconnect for that account. Choose the wording shown in your browser. Make sure to turn off sync for that account first if you want to keep local data separate, and if you need full removal, delete the local profile or person entry. This clears bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. You finish by restarting the browser so any session tokens are cleared and the removal takes effect. After relaunch, verify the account is gone from the profile list. If you still see signs of the account, clear cookies and site data or sign out from accounts. Google, com in that browser. If removal fails, try deleting the entire browser profile or use the browser settings page to remove the person. This resolves most stubborn cases and ensures the account won't automatically reappear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.